let's go over how to install the OwnerRez app on iOS. OwnerRez fully supports mobile, phone, and tablets. It's a progressive web app where the site will work regardless of the screen size and can be installed as an app on mobile devices. It is responsive to the device, and you can do everything you can do on a desktop or laptop browser on a phone or tablet. Even better, unlike with standalone apps you have to install and keep updated, you don't have to download a new version whenever we improve the software, which is just about every day. You can instantly get the most recent version as soon as we deploy it. Now let's get started. Unlock your iOS device, then go to Safari. In Safari, click the top URL box and type in secure.ownerreservations.com. Once you are there, if you previously logged into OwnerRez using Safari, you may have saved your login info, which is what you see at the bottom right now. You can also choose to click the keyboard button to type in your email and password if you'd like. But for now we're going to click Done, and we're going to click the Share button at the bottom. Next you'll need to scroll down and then select the Add to Home Screen button. Here you can choose to change the name if you'd like, but we'll go ahead and click Add. Now we see OwnerRez has been added to your home screen, and you can click and hold to drag this app wherever you'd like. Now let's go ahead and open up the OwnerRez app. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your email address and password. Like I said before, if you've already saved your email address and password in Safari, you can click the Use button at the bottom, and this will log you in with Face ID or Touch ID. Now you're logged into OwnerRez. Here you can easily see your calendar. Now let's say you want to create a quote. You can click the plus button, then click Create Quote. From here, you can select the property. I'll go ahead and select Bear Valley. You can select the dates. I'll go ahead and select the 25th through the 29th. And then you can select the party size. Below that, you'll see the breakdown of the charges, and we'll click Create Quote. Here you can set all the criteria for this quote, and we can add a guest. I'll go ahead and say Joe Blow. Next, we can scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Now we see a new quote has been successfully created. Now if we were to close the OwnerRez app and then go back to it, we'll see we're automatically logged in and we can see our calendar. It's important to note, there are currently no options for phone notifications. You'll continue to get notified the same way as before via email. Installing the app does not change that, nor does that add any additional type of phone notification. But we do plan to add notifications in the future. That is how you install the OwnerRez app on iOS.